In 7th grade. Today my topic is Science Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is a group of animals. There are two types of Kingdom Animalia. Invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates which do not have backbone. Vertebrates which have backbone. There are invertebrates are divided into 8 parts. Porifera, which are aquatic animals. Dendria, also an aquatic animal. Planthimisia, they are soft-flanded ribbon-like bodies. They are also called flatworms. Vertebrates, they are divided into 5 types: fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds. Fish are aquatic animals which live in water. Amphibians, which are both land and water animals. Reptiles are terrestrial animals. Mammals are also terrestrial animals. Birds which can birds with animals which can fly are called birds. Thank you.